Hey guys, today I've got a matching Amana washer and electric dryer set. And right now I've got the washer hooked up. It's running on a, let's see, normal regular load. It's sensing. Now in this particular washer, you get to choose if you want to use the deep full submersion wash. So that's what I have it set to. That's what I prefer. Of course, I've tested out all these various things here. It's about the 4th load I've run through it, testing everything. And I always do the final load with the video. That way you get to see that everything is indeed working perfect, as if you were standing here yourself checking it out. And so it's just getting started in the agitation there. Typically this would be locked. You'd have the lid lock switch lit up. However, I just took the little 2 screws out and put the lid locking mechanism here. That way I could lift it up and show you that everything is in fact working like it's supposed to. So I'm gonna allow it to move through the cycle and really get started. It's gonna wash for quite a little bit and then it'll go into the rinse, final spin, then we'll be done. So I'm gonna show you that it drains the water out like it's supposed to, has a nice, fast, smooth final spin. And when it's all said and done, we'll move the clothes over to the dryer and I'll show you that the dryer's working perfectly. Okay, so we're moving out of the wash cycle. It's draining all that water out right now. You can hear that drain running. The whole thing's pretty quiet, but it's gonna go ahead and do a spin. It'll fill back up with clean water, rinse, and then drain out again, and we'll be on to the final spin cycle, which is what I'll come back for next and show you that it's nice, fast, smooth, sounds great. Okay, we finished up, moved into the final spin. Like I said, typically this would be locked. It is not locked right now. It's spinning nice and fast. It's actually spinning really fast, which is a part of the HE designation. It essentially means it's going to extract the water out of the clothes really well, cut your drying time in half. But you can see and hear it sounds great. Nice, fast, smooth operation. So we'll go ahead and let this finish up and show you the dryer. Okay, and here we have the matching electric dryer. I've got it running with those clothes in it now. Got it set just to time dry, high heat. You can get your lid trap here and just a basic start button. Push to start. This here is a surface temperature gun, so whatever I shine it on, it's going to take the surface temperature of it. So it's about 75 degrees on the top of the machine. If I shine it on the floor, you can see it drops way down. So what I'm going to do is open this up. See, it's all tumbling. We'll shine it right inside the heating element tube. Plenty of heat coming out of that tube. Now, of course, the heating element's right behind here, so the heat comes up out of that tube. Now, the inside of your dryer is only going to get from about 95 up to 195. Just depends on what you have the heat setting at up here. So, jump back up here. You can switch this to any of these desired options here. Of course, this is the 4th time I've ran this. I've tested all of these. Everything works perfect. But there again, as if you were standing here yourself getting to test it out, now you know everything on both this washer and dryer works perfect. I'll go ahead and get them listed up for sale, and if you have any questions at all, feel free to reach out. Thanks, you guys have a great day.